Hello, this is Dr. Du. In this short video, we're going to look at one homework problem from section 9.3. So here it says the prescribed dosage of a drug is 8 mg, so milligrams, per kilogram daily, meaning that 8 milligrams of the drug should be administered daily for each kilogram of a patient's weight. So basically this sentence is telling you the amount of dosage a patient needs depend on his or her weight. Okay. However, the weight should be in kilograms. Okay, should be in kilograms. Okay, so let's look at the question. So the question here is how many 100 milligram tablets should be given each day to a patient who weighs 183 pounds. So as you can see, this patient here, has a weight of 183 pounds. So it's not in kilograms. So in order to determine how many tablets, which is depending upon the dosage, right? We need to figure out the patient's weight in kilograms. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to need to convert, we need to convert the patient's weight. So the patient's weight in pounds actually to kilograms. Okay, so kg, let's use kg. So that's what we're gonna do first. And once we have the patient's weight in kilograms, so patient's weight in kilograms, then we can use this information to figure out the amount of drugs, right? The dosage. So of course this is going to be in milligrams, right? So mg. Then once we have the dosage, since here the drug is administered by in tablets, number of tablets, so from the answer of the second step, then we can figure out, so from here, then we can figure out the number of basically tablets. So let's carry out, these three steps. So the first step, 183 pounds to kilograms. So here it says 1 pound equal to 0.45. So if you use the dimensional analysis, so you're gonna start with 183. So let's change it, use a different color here. Okay, so let's use blue. Okay, so we have 183 pounds. Okay, first convert this into a fraction, so 183 over 1, then multiply the unit fraction. So in this case, the unit fraction we should choose is one that has pounds at the bottom and kilograms on the top. Okay, and so here it says 1 pound is roughly equal to 0.45 kilograms, so the 0.45 should goes on the top and the 1 should go on the bottom. So top time top, bottom time bottom, then this should be canceled out. So the answer will be, so now let's use the GeoGebra to do that. Okay, so over here we're gonna do a 183 times 0.45. So 183 time, which is the shift 8 keys, then 0.45. So that answer is 82. So let's move to here. So that will be 82.35 kilograms. So we answered, basically the first step. And then the second step, using the 82.35, we're going to figure out the amount of drugs, the amount of drugs in milligrams. So here it says for every kilogram of patient's weight, the drug used should be 8 milligrams. Okay, 8 milligrams. So since we have this many kilograms of weight, so that will be 82.35 of 8 milligrams of drug. So basically we need to multiply these two numbers together. So multiply them together. Okay, then let's see what the answer is. Actually from the GeoGebra, we already have the 82.35 there, but we don't need to copy it. So we can just use the letter A because it's already been named as A. So A, so that's A time a number 8. So we have, let's see, 600. So that will be 658.8 milligrams. Okay, so now we're going to use this amount to figure out the number of tablets. Okay, one tablet, that's 100, okay, milligrams. So we just need to figure out how many 100 milligrams are in this 658.8, right? So we need to do a division. So we take the 658.8 milligrams and then we divide 100. Okay, so that is 6.588. So dividing 100 is equivalent to moving this decimal point to the left by 2 places. So 6.588. So we want to round this to the nearest, okay, the nearest whole number. So the nearest whole number, so this is the whole number, right? And so to round this, you have to look at the next number, which is a 5. Okay, since it's a 5, so this number becomes 7. So roughly 7 tablets. So the answer is 7. So we should put a 7 here.